Yeah. Makita are one of our major sponsors here at Dream Big Expo, along with King Chrome. But this is the first time this big truck has been to Perth. So it's come all the way from over east to Perth here on the west coast. How crazy is that? So it's really cool because if we go inside, we'll take a little bit of a spin. Hey guys, how are ya? We'll take a bit of a spin. What's inside? Oh, look, a little puppy. Hi, guys. We're live to Facebook right now. Say hi. And we've got what's this little doggy's name? Chulo. Yeah. Oh, it's a puppy. So cute. How old?
9 weeks.
9 weeks. Adorable.
Well.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like Daddy does?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
So what are you coming to check out?
Look, I've got a pretty big Makita collection, so just check out my Makita, eh?
Oh,
Yeah.
cool. Add to the collection.
That's it, eh? I've got to show you my collection, eh?
Yeah, give us
Look at
a
this.
bell.
Just show one of the boys.
Oh my gosh, is that in your garage?
Yeah, that's my warehouse.
Wow.
So yeah, just trying to add to it, eh?
Yeah. Well, that's good. It's a good stepping stone. How did you hear about Dream Big?
I work right next door to Beyond Tools, so I'm always there. So yeah, that's how I heard about it. But yeah, I wanted to come check out Makita, and that's it, and get a photo with Rick and Kelly.
Yeah, cool.
And that's
Did you
all.
get a photo with
No,
Rick and
tomorrow.
Tomorrow. So you're going to come back to the show, get a photo with Rick and Kelly from Rick's Restoration, seen on American Restorations. They're here today and tomorrow. So that's awesome. And we will continue. It was lovely seeing you. And enjoy your day checking out Dream Big. All right, guys, look at this. Someone here at the expo, one of the crew members, have been walking around with this on his back and just cleaning the floor and everything. His name's Adrian Caliero. We have to go and find him and hunt him down because he'll have that on his back, and it's just hilarious to watch. All right, let's head this way. Now we're going to enter into Beyond Tools.